So there exists a value n satisfying 1 over 2 factorial 17 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial 16 factorial all the way to 1 over 9 factorial 10 factorial, and it's equal to n over 1 factorial times 18 factorial. And we are to find the value of n. So first we notice that all of these numbers add to 19. So 2 plus 17 is equal to 19, 3 plus 16 is equal to 19, all of these add up to 19. And so we can multiply both sides by 19 factorial. So we have 19 factorial over 2 factorial times 17 factorial, all the way to 19 factorial over 9 factorial times 10 factorial. But then we notice that this would be equal to 19 choose 2 plus 19 choose 3 plus 19 choose 4 all the way to 19 choose 9. So we have 19 choose 2 plus 19 choose 3 plus 19 choose 4 plus 19 choose 5 plus 19 choose 6 plus 19 choose 7 plus 19 choose 8 plus 19 choose 9, and all of this is equal to 19 factorial over 18 factorial times n. And this is then equal to 19n. Or actually, I'm going to rewrite this as the sum. So the sum from I is equal to 2 all the way to 9 of 19 choose I is equal to 19n. That's probably a much neater way to put it. But then notice that if we add 19 choose 0 and 19 choose 1, then we get 2 to the power of 19 over 2. Because now we have to recall a counting identity. Well, if we have the sum from I is equal to 0 to some value n of n choose I, this sum is equal to 2 to the power of n. Now also remember that 19 choose n is equal to 19 choose 19 minus n for any integer n between 0 and 19. So for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we would then get 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 10, respectively. And so adding 19 choose 0 and 19 choose 1 to this expression will then give us 2 to the power of 19 over 2, or 2 to the power of 18. And so we can now add 19 choose 0 and 19 choose 1 to both sides. And so we have the sum from I is equal to 0 to 9 of 19 choose I is equal to 19n plus 19 choose 0 plus 19 choose 1. This is then equal to 2 to the power of 18, which is equal to 19n plus 20. And so we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 20 over 19 is equal to n. Well, then this next part goes a little bit something like, if you know the value of 2 to the power of 18, you're in luck. Otherwise, you'll have to multiply. So 2 to the power of 18 is equal to 2 to the power of 9 squared, which is equal to 512 squared. Now, to make a long story short, 512 squared is equal to 262,144. Subtracting 20 will then give us 262,124. Dividing this by 19 is then equal to n. Now, as it turns out, this value is actually an integer, and you can solve for it using long division, but I'm just going to save time and tell you that the answer is 13,796, and that is our answer, and we are done. Alright, thanks for watching, hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you next time.